Hey guys, how's it going? Cassie here from Passive Fashion Online Income, and I'm coming to you from Washington DC. I wanted to shoot a quick video and basically quash those silly rumors which are going around talking about the ACX reviews and people coming up with their own fallacies and stuff. So I got this question yesterday from one of my students asking me that if reviews are being deleted, and is it something? Is it wrong to basically send your coupon codes to your VAs and ask them to do the review swaps and stuff? So here's my take on this. Okay, first thing first, if your VA, if your virtual assistant isn't swapping the so-called promo codes with their respective colleagues or with their respective co-virtual assistants, then yes, they are doing something that is shady, and which is against the ACX rules, because ACX isn't going to tolerate if one particular person is going to make use of all the promo codes. Obviously they want you to promote and basically market your books as much as possible, but it has to be done in a legit manner, right? What is a legit manner? You can build an email list, you can copy paste the links of your respective ACX book and basically blow the trumpet and make announcements of your particular book. The other way is you could also tell your respective virtual assistant to swap books with legit virtual assistants rather than taking the onus on one person itself and one person putting in all those 25 reviews for the US store and UK store. That isn't the right way of working on it, right? So there's nothing to panic, there's nothing to freak out about. All right, just keep publishing your books, and just make sure that whatever you do it in the right and legit manner, right? Don't get into any shady tactics. All right guys, keep publishing, keep rocking, and keep minting lots of money, right? We'll be coming to you with more videos from Washington DC. You guys take care of yourself. Goodbye. Ciao.